If your CGM sensor is not working, your iLet is in BG run mode. You will need to enter BGs into your iLet for insulin delivery to continue until you can get your CGM sensor working again. The iLet will alert you when a BG value is required. There may be times when you need to enter a blood glucose value into your iLet. To do this, tap the menu icon in the upper left corner to access the menu. Tap the BG meter icon, enter your blood glucose value into the iLet, and tap Enter. The iLet will ask you to confirm the BG. Check to make sure the BG on the screen is what you entered, and tap Confirm. The iLet will save your BG value, and your screen will lock. If your CGM sensor is working, you do not need to enter BG values into your iLet.